What is up, YouTube? Anthony Tech here. Happy Friday, and it is finally here. We are going to unbox it and show it to you guys. A Mario keychain. I'm just joking. You see it in the thumbnail. You see it in the title. Blue Nintendo Switch Lite. Let's jump into this unboxing and take a look at it. Okay, so back when this console was announced, I did a video on it. I told you guys I was going to get one and unbox it for you guys, and here we go. Now, one thing to keep in mind is, unlike some of the other new Switch colors that come out, whether it's like a limited edition or something, this one may not sell out quickly. I mean, I know like GameStop had a lower stock, or they were selling out a bit quicker, but I think this is not going to be like the Animal Crossing one, the Monster Hunter one, or the Mario one, where those were very limited and are now pretty much sold out, with some random restocks here and there. This one I think is here to stay as a primary color, so if you didn't get one now, or you weren't able to get one now, don't worry, they're still going to be available for you to purchase. Now, let me just go grab something to cut open this box with. I know the 3DS's, they used to not have tape on their boxes. You just open it and go. And I thought the Switch Lite had it as well. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe this is different now. But yeah, we'll just take this out here. Perfect. Okay. And those who follow the channel, they know that they might know, I love to keep the boxes. I don't like to damage them. It's a nice way to display something on the shelf, you know? Okay. So, here we are. There's the Nintendo Switch Lite. And we also have inside some paperwork, and of course your power adapter is in there somewhere. There it is. And people would ask me, why do I have two switches, or would I need two switches? And the honest reason is, I like to keep my Mario Switch at home. I don't like to bring it with me. I don't want to damage it or anything. And the Switch Lite is a significant difference in size, so it's much more comfortable to travel with in a bag or something, you know? So we have that here. I also have some tempered glass screen protectors on deck ready to go. So just gonna try to be careful not to get not to get any dirt on this, any dust on it. I should wear gloves for this. And look at that beauty. Now, there was some type of debate on whether it's blue or purple. Well, for one, it's blue. Okay, the color is called blue. But right here on the side, it does. It may be hard to see on the camera, but it does give me a bit of a the original Game Boy Advance color, like the purple one, but with a higher tint of blue. Let's look at the back here. So yeah, typical Nintendo Switch Lite is just now in blue. And I really appreciate that Nintendo is doing this with all these different colors. They are trying to make more options for you to choose from. I do think they could do it a little bit quicker, but that's just my opinion. But that's the basic unboxing for it. I'm not gonna go through the whole setup for you guys. You know how the Switch setup is, but that's just the unboxing video for today. Just a quick video for you guys. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know if you're gonna get one of these yourselves. A Switch Lite is not as expensive as the standard Switch. It's only like $200. And I actually traded in my turquoise Switch Lite to get this one. GameStop gave me $100 store credit, so I only paid like $114 for this, and then I added the protection plan for like $20 just to do it. But once again, I'm Anthony Tech. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Maybe dislike this video if you don't like it. That's fine. But let me know in the comments if you have this one, or you're gonna get it, or if you're fine with whatever Switch you got. And yeah, be on the lookout for any more content I'm gonna put out in the next few days. Have a good weekend. See you guys later.